A large number of Manipur's indigenous communities, including civil society organizations, students, and artists, participated in a mass protest rally today, demanding for the repeal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act Afspa 1958, an end to the disintegration of the state, and measures to prevent terrorist groups from targeting civilians. The rally, organized by All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO, All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association, AMAWOVA, Poirei Marol Apunba Maira Paibi Manipur, and Manipur Students Federation, MSF, began from Thao Ground at Thangmaiban and marched towards Kumanlam Park Sports Complex. Protesters chanted slogans demanding action on 4 key issues. A public meeting was later convened at Kumanlam Park Sports Complex main stadium. AMUCO President Phairoicham Nando Luwang criticized the reimposition of Afspa and condemned the ongoing crisis in the region, which has been persisting for over 1.5 years, highlighting the negative impact of the central government's action on the state's stability and security.
Manipur Mutarpa!
This time here, we have to be there. I think we have to sit in house. Let them see the hingmin. Terrorism hata khudakta.
International covenant on self-determination had under Section 3 of Afspa among the British armed forces the India police ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ
Manipur Muthatpa! Manipur Muthatpa! Manipur Muthatpa! Self-determination! 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 Afspa! Afspa! Terrorist na mijam mihatpa! Terrorist na mijam mihatpa!
Malimgi Human Rights Day gi numit asida miyamna human rights ki numit amane na khoi leinari ba adu Manipur da khoi leli im chajari Manipur gi miyam jidi chahi li sang chingna akoi mioi bi hak mat pi raba akoi nam thabi raba or pi nei bi riba kanglu fru amma boina hingaga lai ba akoi na hak talaga akoi wot pi nei bi gano akoi gi batik chab hak bi biyo akoi gi tofam thoba tongbiyo haina akoi Bharat Sarkar da talaga la su ngasi ba Bharat Sarkar ta de maram duna akoi na haijari ba demand mayam wakat chaba mayam tabi mo ta tongan tonga ba ain ek kaya ma thamjalaga Manipur si mutana ba khonarpa adagi Manipur da hoji hoji phong mi halaga hundu ba angang macha ba ta hoidraba thabong kaya torba nupi gi jet phong no khonggaung narba mi bu involuntary disappear arrange we helaba adugumba masa khangdra bangan biraba sumba kaya sibu yarago Bharat Sarkar yeng rebu Bharat Sarkar na national human rights kaya lingbagi adagi state human rights kaya lingbagi kana ba kai leige aduna Bharat Sarkar na tawri ba thong mayam je masi Manipur miyam ji phajana sanga dro yenba miyeng ni aduna Manipur miyam na Bharat Sarkar bu yana pendi habising asi chaliba leli asina akoi mayam da chu mani Bharat ki tongan tongan baleba kya chu masi paukjel ama pijari